Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today I am going to teach you how to insert pre-designed header and footer in Word 2010. Just open Word document. Now I want to insert header and footer, and there are 4 pages. Header and footer display will be displayed in 4 pages. Just go to the insert. Now here you can see a header, and header there are pre-designed format. I just click here. I can type a title of this document. Now you can jump into the footer. Just press go to the footer, but I want to insert footer pre-design. Insert, go to the insert, click footer. There is a pre-designed format here. Just click here. Here is the page name will be displayed here, and now you can type anything which you want to display. Now I have completed header and footer. Just double click anywhere in the document. Now header footer has been applied. You can see here. Now if you go to the second page, you can see header footer is there. Now you can see page number 3, parts of computer, virtual office training. It is very easy to insert header and footer pre-designed. Hope these tips will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.